Phillips here with Designing Women of Orange County, and I'm out here in Mission Viejo, California, and we are on day 4, and we're moving right along with this remodel of the bathroom. As you can see, if you've been following the videos anyway, all of the sheetrock issues have been fixed. We have lots of holes here in the walls, and as we're running different things, whether that's electronics or electrical wiring or whatever it was. The soffit got removed, the ceiling got fixed, the drywall guys are here right now doing just a really cool job on getting what was an older style, almost adobe kind of finish on these walls. It was super thick and it just looked really dated. So they scraped it down, and now what they did is what's called an imperfect float on the drywall, and it's going to look really super nice when it's all dry and when it's all painted too. And then here we are here. Remember what we said about the doggone ceiling. We wanted to be able to push that ceiling up and make it the same height as that one in there, but because of the venting, we just couldn't do it, and it's such a bummer. But I think it's, it's still going to look lighter and brighter and cleaner in here with all of that weird, funky texture. It looked like it came out of the 70s. It was on the ceilings and on the walls and everything. And so, but the drywall guys are doing a fantastic job tonight as they're finishing up the ceilings and walls with texture. So, stay tuned. If you have any questions or you were thinking about doing a remodel, be sure and give us a call at 949-371-9075. We're happy to answer any questions over the phone as well as come out and do a consultation with you. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will talk with you soon.